Hi, it's Haley Bowman, and I want to show you how to use the new eCommunities for committees and section discussions online. This will replace what was previously Engage. With the new ISBA website, it will now be an eCommunities platform. So first, you'll want to log into the iowabar.org website, and then you'll just simply go to the membership tab and select the corresponding, whether it's your section or committee that you're looking to communicate with. For today's example purposes, we'll go to sections, go to the sections page, and you'll see this will take you to a page with all the sections listed. So go ahead and find the section you're looking for. For example purposes, we'll just choose construction law section. And this is going to take you directly to the construction law section eCommunity. You'll see the main page or the home page has some how-to information and a welcome. So that is kind of the main page. Under the directory tab, you'll find all section members listed here with the section chair listed at the top, and that is consistent throughout all of the sections and committees. The chairs of that section or committee will be listed first. Under the lists tab, this is where discussion will be posted, and this is where you can go in and view previous messages, search any discussion archives. You'll see here is where you can find and do some searches on, if you remember who made that post, or certain keywords that you want to type in that you might be searching for. Threads, so you can see the different conversations being had. New post, so if you wanted to go in and post, this is where you can do that. The first time that you go here, you'll see this email certification, and you can just simply type in your email address and click next step. You'll get an email sent to you from the Iowa State Bar Association, and then just a simple click inside that email message to certify your email address. And then settings, so this is where you can set up, if you want to see daily messages with contributions for that day, or any way that you would like to see those different discussion items. And then you'll go to files, and this is where you can upload or view any files that are relevant to your section or committee. There's a little button here, upload file, and you can simply choose either to upload a single document or multiple documents and follow those steps. And then that's where you'll also be able to browse through those different files. The calendar, currently it's going to be set up to pull the full ISBA calendar here, which can be helpful for scheduling section or committee events and seeing what other items are on the calendar. And then finally, announcements. So this is where you can go in, click add announcement, type in your information, the test announcement, and then upcoming section CLE, and then body content, whatever you want to put in here, and then note when you want it displayed. If you'd like an email notice to be sent to the section or committee members, and then save notice. So that is where you're going to be able to access and how you're going to be able to use the new eCommunities. One last thing I want to show you on the home page is down here under section benefits and resources. You'll see that the email address for that section that would have all of your members included is going to be listed on that homepage, so you can simply click that email address and send an email out that will go to all section or committee members. And then that will also automatically be posted under this lists and in the discussion. So hopefully that's helpful. If you do have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us here at the Iowa State Bar Association. Thanks for watching.